Mr. Herman's class is selling candy for a school fundraiser. For every box they sell, they make $2.75. We're going to write the expression that the students could solve to figure out how much money they will make by selling B number of boxes of candy. All right, so again, Mr. Herman's class is selling candy for that fundraiser. For every box they sell, they make $2.75. So we're going to figure out, well, how much money they'll make by selling B number of boxes of candy. So they make $2.75 for every B box of candy. So multiplied by however many boxes they sell. So it's literally going to be $2.75 or 2.75 times B. Or remember, if you're multiplying, this means multiply. If you have a number right in front of a letter or right in front of a variable, that means multiply. So you can write it just like that. Now, if they sell a total of 181 boxes, how much money will they raise? So instead of B being regular B, the boxes are going to be 181. So we're going to have $2.75 times 181 boxes. So let's multiply. $2.75. Remember, we do not have to line up our decimals. Multiply by 181. Let's multiply. I am going to move this up. I'm going to move it kind of there. All right. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. We're done with that 1. We're going to put a placeholder of 0. 8 times 5 is 40. So you're going to carry that 4 and you're going to drop that 0. And then you'll have 8 times 7, and that is 56. Then you're going to add the 4 and you'll get 60. Carry that 6, drop that 0. 8 times 2 is going to be 16 plus the 6, and you'll get 22. Now, we're done with that one. We're done with these remainders, and we're done with this 8. We're going to put 2 placeholder zeros because now we're done with 2 of them, and we're moving on to the third one, the third place value in. So here's the third place value in. Now we'll do 1 times 5, which is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. And then we're going to add them together. So when we add them, we get 5, 7, 7, 9, and 4. The decimal goes in 1 and 2, in 1 and 2. So if they sell 181 boxes, their profit, they will make $497.75. So first answer that expression up here. Second answer is going to be $491.75 is what they'll make. That's going to be it for our review. Great job.